Hey guys, what's up? It's Emma, and I'm on my trampoline, and it is so dreary out here. Just look at those clouds, God. It was like super nice out. Now it's just like all like dreary and cloudy, just gross. It was really warm out, so I'm just listening to my Spotify music playlist. Well, guys want to hear my favorite song of the week? It's my favorite song ever. Okay. Ready?
Hey, where's the drums? Ooh, girl, you're shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond. And they don't make you like they used to. You're never going out of style.
Song of the week, of the year, of the month, of right now. So yeah, question of the day. Don't worry, I'm not leaving yet. I just want to get the question of the day over with. What's your place? What's your favorite place? Bug. What is your favorite place to go? Favorite place to be. Sorry. My favorite place to be is either outside or in my room, just listening to music and just dancing. That's my favorite thing to do. Favorite place to be. It's just being in my comfort zone and just dancing and just doing track. There's just a random light right there. Not gonna lie, that's pretty creepy. I feel like it's about to rain. Yeah, I'm gonna listen to some more music. This one's a good song. Stop by you by the Vans. Yes. Okay. Wait, why is it not working? Wait, that other song was classic. Follow me on Spotify at MMR21999 1999. Self-promotion. I wanted it to be the thing. Describe the money, keep shaking up. No! I got a Snapchat from Sarah! Ah, it's raining! Ah, the blankets! I gotta save it! I got caught in a rainstorm.
Oh my god, you did?
Yeah.
Is it raining?
It's raining hard.
Holy crap! It is raining.
Yeah, it just hit. Oh. That scared me. Say hi, Austin. Say hi. Austin, say hi. He's not there, probably. There you go. Hi.
Where were you?
I was outside on the trampoline.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, and I had to save this blanket. I dropped the blanket and I had to go back.
Loser.
Jeez.